Hello everyone. So this video is all about pointers. We have seen so many data types, fundamental data types, derived and user defined data types. And pointer is a derived data type. So you know what is a derived data type? It is a data type which is derived from the fundamental data types. The example for fundamental data types are integer, char, float, double, void, etc. So from these fundamental data types, the derived data types are being derived. And array and pointers are examples for derived data type. So let's see what is a pointer now. A pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable. For example, if we have a variable called a, which is of float type, so we will declare it like float a, isn't it? Now what is a pointer? A pointer, it is also a variable, but its value will be the address of another variable. So both the pointers and variables are stored in memory, and when they are stored in memory, they will be having some address. Now a variable, it has a value, isn't it? For example, for the float a variable, we can assign some value like 12.3, 4.6, something like that. And in the pointer, its value is always an address of another variable. That is, we can use this pointer to store the address of the variable a. So what is the importance of pointers? Yes, we can use the pointers in functions. In functions, pointers are used to return multiple values. If you can recall the two methods of passing the values like pass by value and pass by reference, you might have seen that in the pass by reference method, we are using pointers, isn't it? Now, the advantage of using the pointers is to reduce the length and complexity of programs. And also, the use of pointers increases the execution speed and which results in reduction of program execution time. So this is the just basic introduction about pointers. Now, how can we get the address of a variable? So for getting the address or to access the address of a variable, we have to use the AND operator. And the AND operator is called the address of operator. For example, now here you can see there is a variable called a equal to 10. Before that, let me just delete these statements. Okay, now a is a variable which is of integer type and it has a value 10. Now for printing the address of a, I can just use the AND operator like AND a. Now when I am giving AND a, the address will be printed. And you can see that the format specifier which I have used is %p. So whenever you want to print the address of a variable, you can use %p. So let me just compile it and run. And here you can see the address is printed. So this address is in the form of hexadecimal format. It is not a integer or it is not a floating point number. It is a hexadecimal. It is in hexadecimal format. Now what will happen if we just print a? We will get the value. That's it. Sorry, I have to compile it. Yes, when I am printing when I want to print the value, I have to give the format specifier as %t because it is an integer, isn't it? So this is how we can have an access to the address. Here I will give like %p and comma and a. See, when we are just giving a and when we are giving ampersand a, the meaning is different. A, the 10 is the value of a, and this 0061FECC, it is the address of a in the memory. So this is how we can access the address. Now in the next video we will discuss how to declare pointers and how to initialize it. See you on next video. Thank you.